I'm gonna show you exactly how I make $1,000 a day using Claude AI, and I'm gonna be completely transparent about it because I think most people teaching this stuff online are either hiding the real method or they're teaching you something that sounds good in a YouTube video, but that doesn't actually work in real life. What I do is simple, repeatable, and the best part is you can copy it even if you have no experience, no audience, and nothing to teach anybody. And I'm gonna explain all of that in just a second because I know it can sound too good to be true. My name's Fred. I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, cash in my bank account. Now, let me show you exactly what I do and how you can copy it. So here's the thing. There are a lot of ways people are using Claude to make money right now. Writing resumes for people, doing LinkedIn ghostwriting, building travel itineraries, writing sales pages for clients. And look, those work, but every single one of them has the same problem. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. You're trading time for dollars just with an AI assistant helping you move a little faster. That's not a business. That's a slightly better job. What I do is different. I sell digital products, specifically online courses, and I use Claude to build them and sell them. And the reason this model is so powerful is that you do the work once and it pays you over and over and over again. I make a course, I put it online, and every time someone buys it, money hits my account whether I'm working that day or not. That's what $1,000 a day actually looks like in practice. It's not me sitting at my laptop for 12 hours grinding service work. It's a product that's already built, already selling, and Claude helped me build it in a fraction of the time it would have taken otherwise. Now, you're probably thinking, Fred, that's great for you, but I don't have anything to teach anybody. And I want to spend a minute on this because it's the single biggest thing that stops people from even trying, and it's completely unnecessary. You don't have to be an expert to sell a course. Let me say that again. You do not have to be the world's leading expert authority on something to sell a course, because all you do is package knowledge and sell it to people. Think about any topic that people are willing to pay to learn. How to pass a real estate exam, how to get better at Excel, how to start freelancing, how to lose weight without going to the gym. All of that information already exists online. It's in YouTube videos, in blog posts, in Reddit threads, in books, scattered across the internet in 1,000 different places. The reason people buy courses isn't because they can't find the information, they can find it, but they're overwhelmed. They don't even know where to look. They buy courses because they want someone to take all that scattered information, organize it into a clear step-by-step path, cut out all the noise, and just tell them what to do, step by step. That's the product. You sell convenience. It's like buying chopped us watch lettuce at the supermarket. People could buy raw lettuce, so why don't they? And that is something Claude can help you build on any topic, even when you know nothing about personally. You go to Claude, you tell it to research the best way to teach someone how to, I don't know, start a dropshipping store from scratch, and it will pull together a structured curriculum, write the lesson content, and help you package it and sell it. Your job is to pick the topic, make sure the information is accurate and useful, and put it in front of people who want it. That's it. Claude does the heavy lifting. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, there are two ways to actually sell this course once it's built, and both of them work. The first one is the personal brand route. You show your face, you build a YouTube channel or a social media presence, you become the recognizable name in your niche. If you're willing to do that, you can go really, really far because a personal brand compounds over time. Every video you post builds trust, builds an audience, and brings in more buyers. This is the path I took, and it's been worth every bit of effort. But I completely understand if you don't want to be on camera. Maybe you're a private person, maybe you're camera shy, maybe you just don't want your face associated with an online business, and that's totally fine. Because the second path is using an AI avatar or voice. You can use a tool like HeyGen to create a realistic AI presenter, You can clone a voice or use a pre-made voice with a tool like 11 Labs, and you can run the entire business without ever appearing on camera. The course content, the marketing videos, the sales material, all of it produced with AI tools, and none of it requiring you to be on camera for a single second. I mean, think about how wild that is. You can have a fully operational online course business with a real brand, real students, real revenue, and your face is never involved. And Claude is the backbone of all of it because it's writing the scripts, the course content, the emails, the sales pages, basically everything except pressing the record button. And I want to be clear about why I use Claude for this specifically, because people ask me all the time, why not ChatGPT, why not Gemini? The honest answer is that Claude is just better at writing content that sounds like a real human being wrote it. For long-form stuff like course scripts, sales pages, email sequences, it's not even close in my experience. The writing is more natural, more persuasive, and it doesn't have that robotic AI flavor that you get with a lot of other tools. When I upload my style guide and my reference material into a Claude project, what comes out actually sounds like me. And that matters a lot when you're building a brand. Let me just quickly show you what the math looks like so this feels real. If you're selling a course for a low price, $200, you need 5 sales a day to hit $1,000. If you're selling a course at $500, you only need 2. And if you have a high ticket offer at $1,000, you only need 1 customer. And these aren't crazy numbers once you've got a system running. You've got a product. You've got traffic coming in from YouTube or Instagram or any other social media platform, and you've got an email list you're sending offers to. That's the machine. Claude helps you build every single piece of that machine faster than you could ever do it manually. Look, the opportunity with AI right now is real, but most people are going to use it to get slightly better at their job or to do client work a little bit faster. And that's fine. But if you want to actually build something that pays you, whether you're working or not, the smartest thing you can do is build a digital product and use Claude to help you do it. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need an audience yet. We all start from zero. You don't need a lot of money to get started. You just need to pick a topic people want to learn, build the course with Claude's help, and get it in front of people. That's what I do. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.